Hello friends, we are learn. Today we speak English.
May I come in please, teacher?
Yes, please come in. Hello, what is your name?
I am Subhash. I am in class 5. And you?
I am in class 7. My name is Shubham. You can call me Bunty.
Nice to meet you, Bunty.
What is the time?
It is 2 o'clock.
Excuse me, auntie. Can you please help me find this address?
Sure.
Excuse me, uncle. Is this yours?
Oh, yes, it is mine. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this lovely gift.
You are welcome.
I'm sorry, I broke the cup.
Never mind.
Where are you going?
We are going to the playground. Would you like to come with us?
Yes, please wait for me.